Dear friends, money is not the topic most households tend to discuss with the family. Yet, it is a topic which draws down most of the family goals. Getting your family finances in order can be a humongous task sometimes due to limited open heart discussion, misconception of I know all about finances, or myth that finance is an adult topic and children are not supposed to know about it. But trust me, breaking down the process of the financial management into pieces, setting yourself a certain goals with a family patronage, and being disciplined will take you long miles in the wealth creation journey. If you're also feeling that something is left out and you can better the situation, then this video is certainly going to be for you. Irrespective of your age, it will help you and your family to walk together on a journey of a wealth creation. Here comes few handy tricks which you may explore, but to know all of them, we request you to watch this video till the end without skipping any of the part in between. So let's begin the discussion at your own YouTube channel, The L&D Show. First is everyone stick to their own budget. Just about every family member has a budget. The homemaker has a household budget and kids have their pocket monies. The easiest way to save is to ensure that every member stays on their respective budget. In other words, overshooting the budget is strict no-no. In fact, members must be encouraged to save a little from their budget every month and set it aside in a mutual fund or a saving account. When a spirit of saving is inculcated at an early stage, particularly in the young ones, it gives a big push to a family finances. Second is identifying responsibilities. Most parents prefer not to share all the financial details with their teens, which should be kept limited for setting up the limits on the usage or availability of funds. Once parents determine limits on the usage of the funds, you may encourage kids, especially the teens, to express their opinion and seek their inputs in making financial decisions or any major purchases. Then you are better able to guide a conversation with them rather than making empty promises or endless sayings of no's and maybes. Involving kids also gives them a sense of belongingness and promote responsible behavior. Then comes leveraging of technology. Today, younger family members are online and it is really important to leverage technology better when it comes to savings. There are many apps which can help young ones to appreciate to save the extra money on online deals, on groceries, clothing and stationery. Holidays are generally a great time to dwell into this space as you may end up some major festival discounts on the essential items. Hey guys, if you are still with us, may I request you to consider subscribing to our channel and hit that like button to keep YouTube Dada happy. Your one like will help us go long way. Fourth and a very effective trick is to educate the young. This trick works wonder if you are in a joint family or blessed with more than one kid. Often the trick lies in getting the young on your side. The mature ones already understand the need to save and contribute in their own way, but the young take a while to appreciate this fact. So, senior members of the family need to educate the young ones on savings and make it a fun by awarding the points. Here is one pro tip. Most of the time as a young parents, we try to reward our kids monetarily by offering small sum of money with a promise to buy something which is completely dilutes the agenda behind this reward mechanism. These rewards should be given so that kids can put it in a piggy bank and develop a habit of channelizing money into savings. However, better to link these rewards for more constructive works like reading one book or exercising 4 times a week, etc. so that kids develop a purpose behind their actions. Most important tip is to have fun at home. It is natural to expect families to make the most of the weekends by going to movies or dinner. This is the family's us time, when all members get to spend time with each other. This is necessary and one should not cut it away completely. However, in the age of digitalization, we are forgetting our attachment value, where we can enjoy together as a family in our kids' hobby, which could be as silly and as small as all family members painting their canvases, or crazy dancing on your little one's favorite music playlist, or hitting the exercise floor as a team. This will slowly replace the undue expenses on the outside temporary joys with long-lasting family fun and make the entire journey of a wealth creation very joyful. Last, but the fundamental tip remains the same. You may not get it right in the first go, so don't quit. When you create a family plan and give yourself spending guidelines, there's an initial period of adjustment. No one gets all the numbers right the first time, so expect to revisit or tweak your plans several times initially. It can be worth tracking your spending for few weeks to see where your money is really going. But the key to ultimate pleasure is to keep trying and enjoy the journey rather than just the end goal. The bottom line is, managing family finances needs to be a family affair. So do what works better for you and your family. At a minimum, everyone needs to be aware that you are working towards specific goal and how they can support your efforts. This way, there is a takeaway for everyone involved and thus immense learning by practical experiences to your next generation. Friends, if you like our efforts and still not have subscribed, then our humble request is to do it right away, as planning yields a result when you take small but effective actions. If you're wondering to start your journey in the stock market and wish to apply for an upcoming LIC IPO, then do not miss the chance to open a demat account with India's leading stockbroking houses, for which link is provided in the description box. We will meet you soon. Till then, take care and thank you for providing your time.